I think golf is both a physical and mental game. Sometimes I get nervous or think too much, but I just let the energy feed my excitement, and I put that into my game. My performance can change on certain days, depending on outside forces or my physical condition. Sometimes I hit it well, but the next day I can't hit it well. I try to be more consistent every day and try to get better every year. Exercise helps a lot with my swing. I think it is important to push yourself to step outside your comfort zone, because if you don't, you will never get better. I think my biggest strength is consistency. I was pretty consistent with my tournament result throughout my golf career, but there were times I didn't play so well. Hanwha Q CELLS encouraged me during those times because they would always put their trust in me. I practiced harder and harder and finally obtained victory at 2018 Kia Classic. People called it the fruit of my labor. Being sponsored by Hanwha Q CELLS has encouraged me to become more energy conscious. I was happy when they approached me with the opportunity for solar panel installation on my house. They provided their panels to a local installer, and the whole installation process was very easy and seamless. I believe Hanwha Q CELLS implement the highest standard of quality, resulting in more reliable products. It feels good to save money while reducing my carbon footprint. I push myself every day to get better at what I do. Being consistent is the hardest part, but I always try to be the best in my field. I will continue to aim high and aim for the best.